the ASYNC A1 Pro, and on our display over here, you can toggle between class 1, 2, and 3 pedal assist. If you want to unlock off-road mode, then you unlock it here. Now you're full throttle.
Got it.
Our battery stored in back, so it's completely transportable. The battery, you can pull this in and out. It's about 20 pounds.
Okay.
I charge it in my Airbnb.
So you can remove it when you need it.
Exactly.
Oh, nice.
When at work.
And can you buy extra battery if you need to?
Yeah, you
but
can
I mean,
buy
I don't know
extra
if you ever need it, but it's like almost 2,000 watt hours, so it's a lot.
Exactly.
It's a lot.
920
And
watts.
the motor looks real large, so it's like
1200 watt motor, belt drive, rear suspension hidden in the back.
okay, so it's completely isolated. Okay.
So it's protected.
Right.
This and hydraulic brakes and this massive LED headlight, so it's awesome for night riding.
Yes, and it looks really cool. All right,
Yes,
thank you. And come with hydraulic brakes, everything.
Yeah.
Fully loaded. Okay.
Basically, the policy is as little maintenance as possible and as much riding as possible.
Okay, got it. Okay, I'll just do
You're
around.
off-road, go have fun.
Thank you. So I rode this bicycle actually before, and I like it. That's why I came back, but I didn't have camera on me. And it comes with this very large display, and so like in a car, speedometer. You have a time, date, and map. I'm not sure what other information, but today I'm just go for quick ride and some review. Right now I'm in off-road mode, and it's really torquey because it's a lot of power. I believe last time he told me, Alex, he told me it's like up to 4,000 watt power, which a lot. Let's see. It's easy to get 20, and I don't want to crash over here, but from distance the bike looks like just unique, but when you start to ride it, you won't continue to have fun riding. It's so soft and bouncing, so it's like the suspension so nice, like Cadillac, even softer, and it's very torquey, so it's a lot of torque comes with. So you can see acceleration really nice. I don't want to get wheel over here, but really nice suspension. And I will try to go park again and try to make some pictures over here. Off-road, I guess. So I'll show you close up. The bicycle, it is unique. It does not look as comfortable, and I think it would be really cool if they have extension like longer to make for few people to ride on. I'm not sure if somebody can sit over here as well, because it looks like very durable aluminum, but the comfort, it's fantastic. Again, I rode it on the grass, and it's a lot of torque. Really nice, fun to ride. I'm not sure what's the price on them. The battery hidden inside, and it is removable, which is really good because you can remove it, charge it somewhere else, go off-road, like go camping and remove it or whatever, like. And it comes with nice settings, everything. You probably can check link in description. I think they're gonna launch next month. It comes with nice hydraulic disc brakes. It looks large, maybe like the front one looks like 203 millimeters. The rear one is about 180 most likely. Yeah, 180 millimeters. 4-piston looks like, but again, all the information, they should have it. And let's go back and test some other bicycle. See how on the grass. Off-road mode, 15, 16, 18, 19, 20, so on the grass. So it does give you a lot of torque, a very powerful bike, and I think it can go really fast as well.